The dictation. Start. There is provision for a disciplinary committee. Stop. As far as Madhya Pradesh is concerned, the Bar Council has formed a committee of 5 advocates. Stop. I am also one of them, but the difficulty is that the 5 advocates belong to distant places and they cannot meet. Stop. The provision is that all the 5 must come together and decide the thing, otherwise, even if one is absent, the whole proceedings will be nullified. Stop. Under the circumstances, the disciplinary committee has not met so far, and I am sure it will not meet any time in the future also. Stop. There are so many complaints against the advocates. Stop. According to the Advocates Act, neither the High Court nor the government can go into those complaints. Stop. It is for the Bar Council or the Disciplinary Committee. Stop. But the Bar Council finds this difficulty. Stop. The members cannot assemble and they are busy lawyers to. Stop. They will not find time to go into the complaints. Stop. Those complaints are lying and they are being filed in the High Court's office. Stop. There is another difficulty that there are some complaints which are old, namely those that came before the Act came into being. Stop. Neither the High Court can entertain those complaints nor the present Bar Councils can, because according to the definition in the Act, an advocate means an advocate enrolled according to the Advocates Act. Stop. So, this council cannot take into consideration any complaints filed previous of the Act. Stop. So, there is another difficulty. Stop. My submission is that the amendment which the government is bringing now is only a half-hearted measure. Stop. I would request the government to go through the whole matter, taking the views of the Bar Councils and also taking the views of leading lawyers, and then formulate new amendments or at least bring a comprehensive law so that the Advocates Act will work well. Otherwise, it will be useless, because although we were told that we were the masters, now we find ourselves helpless. Stop. Of course, the fault may lie with the advocates also or the Bar Councils, but the government must come forward and help the advocates and remove the anomalies which are pointed out. Stop. There are other anomalies also, but this is not the time nor the occasion. Stop. So I am not dealing with them now. Stop. As far as these amendments are concerned, I welcome them. Stanza. They were long overdue, and when the second amendment was being discussed, there was a suggestion that further time ought to have been given, but the government was so ridden by red tapeism that it always acted on the advice of the officers. Over.